when Air New Zealand showed up at beta, they showed up with their chief pilot, engineers asking real hard pragmatic questions about the readiness of this aircraft to go and do real meaningful work. Everything from the infrastructure to the maintenance to the fuel to the pilot licensing requirements and the pilot training requirements. And it gave me a wildly different feel than every other potential customer we talked to. It was immediately clear to me that Air New Zealand was going to do this for